In previous webinars, we are talking about what is cryptocurrency and how it works on blockchain. Then we're talking about what is cryptocurrency wallet and how we can use it, especially on our blockchain, QChain. And then we're talking about how to earn money on blockchain. Simplest method, it was staking. All of those three terms is such a levels in the building. Basement is blockchain and cryptocurrency. Next level is how you can send or receive it. Next level that you can send it to special smart contract for staking. And now we are talking about how blockchain and cryptocurrencies may be connected to another projects. Some projects that help you earn money or on community or so on. Today we are talking about interactions with another projects. And we have two ways to interaction. First of them is connect some service or some special activity directly to Noda. Now I can show you some features that we have in our QChain node. One moment, I can log in. Okay. In our application, our node, on any platform, Windows, macOS, iOS, Android, we have some features. Products, the products tab. One moment, it's okay. In products tab, you seen some options. First options, import QDT and exchange QDT to QDT, just integrated features for connection with QChain project parts that external for Node. First, import QDT, it's for import from a website. Exchange QDT, it's for convert your QDT to WQDT for using on Hotbit Birch. Staking is feature in our blockchain is not only feature for using in transactions, but it used not only helps transaction to be performed because we have a proof of stake concept in our blockchain, but same way it using for earn money because any transaction in QDT put 90% of transaction fee returned to stakeholders. Okay, but that's all we already talking about. But now we I like to spend some of your time for explaining what is a QStorage, QPayments. It's more interest features. QStorage is technology for put some data, your files, into blockchain. Next week, we are waiting for update of Node, in which this feature is working more accurate on mainnet. Now it's we are finishing tests on testnet, and next week it's starting, and you can earn money if you provide some space on hard disk of your computer for storing data, and you can pay if you store some data in QStorage. Why it better than Google Drive or so on? This way, your file stored not in one computer it's cut it for many parts. Any part stored with few copies on many computers of users, and users have some money, little bit, but every day. If store some data, and your data is totally safety because it put it in blockchain and not in centralized storage, and you can use it for more secure, more data that you like to store safely and with guarantee. And it's integrated inside Node. It's a technology that fully connected with our Node. But we have one more way, interesting way, to connect distant projects to our blockchain, to our ecosystem. And this way is QPayments. I like to show it on one example. It's service, not only service, it's gambling service, started on QChain technology. And now I like to show it. One moment. We are going to browser. And we are going one moment. Yeah. And we are going to magiclotto.io. And Magic Lotto is gambling service with a set of games, Lotto, and 7+ Lotto, and Joker Ball, and so on. We have plans to add more games. In this game, you playing as in any Lotto, but it working on blockchain. Why? QChain is very fast, real-time, really blockchain, and you can connect game with a blockchain, and you have clearly view in Blockchain Explorer how it works. That no any unusual activity, no any scam, no any problems with core of the game. If you like to have this information, you can go to Blockchain Explorer and see any part of game in blockchain. When you use it, you first doing some deal, then you can put transaction, create transaction, 16 liquidities. But now its feature is not active. A little bit later, I explain for you why it at this moment not active. But if it active, then you after click by your mouse on create transaction, you can return to one moment. Not QChain, going to QPayments. And here you see transaction. Website connected to QNode and send transaction to QNode. You can sign it, then it's complete. It's a Web 3.0 features. Web 3 is technology, connect financial instruments in cryptocurrencies and websites. It maybe work two ways. First way that you maybe can know on MetaMask wallet and so on, used browser extension. You can set up especially browser extension and connection with a wallet, use technology inside browser. But if you like to use Web 3.0 technology in QChain, you must connect not especially on this website part. Website directly connect to blockchain QChain, and because QChain is very fast blockchain, you see in same second a transaction in a list of transactions in QPayments, and you can use it for gambling or another service. But this moment, I like to explain why this moment we are stop gambling process in the Lotto. We are going to homepage of Magic Lotto, and you see one interesting. Now we are start ICO, and now we are provide you ability to buy tokens on Magic Lotto. Magic Lotto it's not only gambling service, it's a technology. Technology can be provided to another people. And at this moment, you see 44% of first stage already closed. You have 22 days for thinking about how many MGT tokens you like to take, and why it's maybe interest for you. Because 66% of total money earned by Magic Lotto returns to token holders. It's new way to earn your money. You may look how you want, how much you want, and earn more money when we return to operation after 22 days. We are returned to operation. Magic Lotto is start gambling process, and you can use it not only for gambling if you like, but for just staking of QMGT. No, not staking, holding QMGT, and you have some profit. But it's not, it's first service, but it's not all, because we are working on connect a set of services to our QChain ecosystem. And I like to say for one more service, it's one moment. We have one more interest partner. This is Aspool. Aspool at this moment connected to QChain ecosystem and provide one interesting for users. If you have no 100,000 QDT, but like to use your QDT in staking to earn more money or have some profit, you can use Aspool. Aspool connect many people who have a little bit of QDT in one pool, and 40% of this pool used in staking, and other 60% used in a referral program. You have a referral program in Aspool, and payments for special events and with clients. Now you see 3 ways to connect your service to QChain. First of them is direct connection to the node. You can use it in case of you have a closer partnership with QChain. Next one, it's connect your website by with QPayments technology to QChain and use it as a financial instrument for your fast blockchain cryptocurrency service in your own on your own website, in your own gambling, or any another service. And only it's two ways. And now I like to say that we have one more way. And for this option, we must return to our Q node. One moment. Oh, it's asking me password again. Yep. One moment. I can show it yet. If we return to our node and go into section Q tokens, you see that you can create your own token. Okay. You can enter some name of your token, maybe my special token. Some short name, MST, maybe. Initial supply, 1 million of tokens. On your choose. Decimal, how many decimal after sign you will have sign? Let it be 4. And some start price. It's maybe $1. Then you create your token. You must pay 100 QDT of the process. Okay, and token is created. And you, from this moment, can use it. Oh, sharing is stopped. One moment. You have new token, and you can use inside ecosystem. After we start decentralized exchange service DEX inside, you can exchange it and use it in other sections. At this moment, if you see to wallets, you see that already you have Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Tether, QChain, QDT, and new and other tokens such as QLab, Yablonium, especially for some curious Russian people, Freedom Coin, VQDT, as you know, and my special token. From this moment, it's used only for me, but after we start an exchange service, I think it maybe in 1 month, it start works. You see that I have $1 million, but without exchange service, you can't exchange it. And after start, it's on your how you can start your token. It's maybe really $1 or maybe not, because it working such as a birch. It's same way. Okay, in general, we have 2 ways to working with our ecosystem. First way, it's a direct way, especially for special partners. Next way, this is a way for programmers that like to connect via API website 3 web 3.0 to our Q node. And last way, it's create token inside ecosystem, and then you can sell, buy, or exchange it on next our service, such as DEX, that we start shortly. I think in 1 month it's working totally. Maybe it's same time when we start Polkadot compatibility for QChain node. Maybe it's maybe different. Our programmers working both ways. Okay. I think if you interest in Magic Lotto, especially in ICO of Magic Lotto or S-Pool that provide you staking feature with little bit of QDT, you can visit sites magiclotto.io and aspool.cloud and read more about it, because our theme today is only about connections. Now we are talking with CEO and our management about next steps of our webinars. It's not provided yet, but I think first of them it's maybe Magic Lotto, next ASPOOL, and I like to explain for you, especially about Magic Lotto and ASPOOL in special webinars. How much return this ASPOOL provide? ASPOOL returns, one moment, 40% going to staking, 30% go to referral program, 10% going to web client, VIP clients, and 20%. Well, I can explore you a special session about ASPOOL because it's not my project. I just know how it technically connected, but how it works inside. One more time, I like to go in deeply into this theme. Any more questions? You can chat it. Oh, there are no many people. I can. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you too. Bye. See you.